Sunday morning at church wasn't very good at all. After Pastor reached to the pulpit to preach the message, I don't know what get into the pastor. The pastor come up with this sermon of forgiveness. And while pastor was down into the message, I don't know, but it's like when you fling rock stone in a pig pen, and the pig will get lick ball out. There goes Sister Ermine jump up. And Sister Ermine bust out a one big piece of balling in at the church. I tell you, the whole church member them was amazed, because everybody was wondering what could have taken place now, because Sister Ermine coming to the church very good in the morning. And all of a sudden, when Pastor bring out the message, Sister Ermine start crying. When Pastor stepped down from the rostrum and begin to console Sister Ermine to find out what is the matter. I don't want to talk too loud. Sister Ermine began to shed tears. Top of tears could have full one cup. Is that time we know say Sister Ermine did married. Sister Ermine said after she have the last picnic, Nicholas, and Nicholas at 26. 3 months after that, she don't know what happened to Jeremiah. She know hear gunfire Jeremiah from that. She thinks that Jeremiah was dead, only to know that Jeremiah threw away upon boat and go over United States of America. And it's when them deport him the other day in the big deportation where took place in Jamaica. That's the time the brood come back. I don't know how him know which part Sister Ermine live. Because at 20 I had hear Sister Ermine no hear from him nor nothing at all. So me no know how he know which part she live. Sister Ermine said to Pastor after she hear the door and knock. And she said then, me not expect nobody. So who that could have knocked me door? Because, well, due to how the Jehovah Witness them always a pass, she think of them. But she say, it been too early for Jehovah Witness. Because I did after 8 o'clock in the morning. Me dear, when she look out, no the man Jeremiah she see. Say he no have nowhere to go. And begin to tell Sister Ermine some cock and bull story. How him get messed up on her phone number and all these things. Him never want nobody to know say him this troll way. Because it was a secret. Because him no want, if him never make it and boat capsize, him never want she and the picnic them for ball. So when him reach over there now, him no remember the number in his head, and a piece of paper with the number depend last. I mean, I tell you, say, Me the one side I listen, me half and so. And me I say, but even though me a man that a Tory they not sit down good, eh? That man they sound lie. And just because him back is against the wall and he want Hermin fi put him up in the house because Sister Hermin have one big 3-floor house, you know. Me don't know where she didn't get money make them the house there because time is hard. But as me tell you now already, Sister Hermin, oh, she come at church looking good and her son was doing very well, even though him not do well the right way. But nevertheless, she have the big 3-floor house. So, when Pastor now begin to talk about the forgiveness part, Sister Ermine couldn't do not more bust out a ball. And Pastor begin to tell Sister Ermine about the scripture to forgive 70 times 7. But Pastor no easy do it. Eh? Everything them a try to go the easy way. Pastor don't know what that woman bear all these years without little help. Eh? Pastor don't know. And Pastor go tell the woman say to forgive 70 times 7. Eh? Hmm? And she must have mercy upon him. But me, Alfonso, know say if I'm me, the same place where I come from, he would have wheel and turn back, go back there, because me not accepting him. Eh? After he left me in a me pangarang and me mess, me if he take him back, not at all, at all, at all. But I don't know what to not think. Because if we say we are called upon God, then we have to go forgive. But if we out in the world a fool around, we not must forgive. You know? Because it's not easy to forgive, you know, man. It's not easy and tell you have to say, God, you know to forgive. Especially when they go and come back and never even remember you. Oh, I must tell you, man. But I hope to God something work out for him. Because in the long run, Sister Hermin say she going to have to go up and fasting and prayer to see if she can get over that. Because seeing him drag up back all sort of animosity in her. So, easy pan her at this moment. So, if you know me, they even know which party must stay. If I in the market, pan roadside, and because he may have one brother, and the brother went pass, so me don't know if he got any more family member. Because I know somebody where did all up in a family. It's good to live good with your family, them you know, man. I'm telling you. But some people feel to say, I saw the thing I go on every day. So them not in a family. But I'm telling you, it's good to remember your family in all the situation, good or bad. Okay? Alright, thank you.